actively involved as a Scanbalt to prepare one pre-conference workshop which was dedicated to the neurodegenerative diseases and the most specific topics in early detection of Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, new modalities for treatment which are about to come in coming years, and of course in the background of these important processes of European health data space as an overarching regulation that need to be implemented and can substantially actually promote and support the activities. Well, if to say one word, I think it's optimistic, but of course taking into account current global geopolitical and economic conditions, it might be challenging. We need to be more actually active and look critically what are the main priorities and what we need to achieve in Europe to be competitive, because we see that the whole picture in the global arena has changed substantially, with actually emerging capacity and products from China, also changing the attitude from cross-Atlantic. But it gives us also, as Europeans, quite a bit of opportunities, but we have to actually keep this momentum and try to be active and competitive. I think Kraków has very sort of important and long-standing history, and Kraków has been a member of Scanbalt network, although not locating in vicinity of Baltic Sea, but still Poland as a Baltic Sea country is one important player around Baltic Sea, and Scanbalt, when it was established 25 years ago, it was established as a bottom-up organization to bring together clusters which are active in life sciences and biotechnology and health tech. And today we have seen that although the main priorities has been changing initially from genome banking and biobanking to today digital health and bioproduction, for example. This is still very valid, and we have seen that Kraków has evolved to the very high arena in Europe in life sciences, and we hope that this is going to continue to happen. Well, the conference is very needed, of course, and obviously the EU Presidency gives good opportunities to be more visible for the country, but also to actually draw attention to very specific issues what are important under the particular country's presidency, but also for the stakeholders. We as Scanbalt have now more than 5 years the experience and history to working with the specific EU presidency governments, and every time we have been trying to contribute to activities and conferences to bring first of all the topic of European health data space, but also some other important topics to be seen, to that they keep on to being on radar screen of the politicians, and to be taken into account when the strategic plans are actually on the drawing board. So we see that this is very important events that are normal and natural part of the EU presidency activities. Well, I haven't had much time to take a look, and last time I was here, to be honest, close to 30 years ago. And now, of course, maybe I can see tonight before I before my flight to take some more actually tour in the city and especially in old towns.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.